What is a matrix? Let us take a story. Now Radha has 15 notebooks. We can express it like this, 15, with an understanding that this square bracket or the number inside this square bracket is the number of notebooks that Radha has. Now we have to express that Radha has got some pens also. So 15 books and 6 pens. So we have employed 15 for her books. Now let us change it and make it 15 books and 6 pens, right? Now Fawzia also comes and we have to enter her data also. She says that I have 10 notebooks and 2 pens. Simran said I have 13 books and 5 pens. So why not to just extend this? We'll extend this and we'll write like this. This is for Radha. This is for Fawzia. And this is for Simran. Right? This is nothing but a matrix. You are writing in words, Radha has 15 notebooks and 6 pens. So here, Radha has 15 books and 6 pens. Similarly, Simran has 13 notebooks and 5 pens. Now, we can arrange it in some form. We'll write Radha, just make it as a table. Radha as the, say, the row and the columns as notebooks and pens. So this is the first row. This is your first row. This is your second row. This is your third row. This is your first column. This is your second column. So this is the column. This is the second column. This is the first, second, third row. And this is nothing but the combination of rows and columns, or the representation of certain problem in terms of rows and columns. We have used a square bracket and we call it as a matrix. We can take another way also. We can place notebook and pens here, means in the rows, and Radha, Fawzia and Simran, the names in the column. So here again we'll use a square bracket. This is first row, this is second row, this is first column, second column, third column. So here we have, in the previous one, it was 3 rows and 2 columns. Let us write it like this. Here we have 2 rows and 3 columns, right? Similar information, similar way, but the representation is different. But it is giving you an idea. This rectangular form or this tabular form is giving you certain idea. So the first arrangement and the second arrangement, they are showing a form of a rectangular arrangement so that you may be able to understand the things very carefully. And at first go, if I write something in the text form as you saw, it will not be so easy to understand. So now these arrangement, I term it as a matrix. So now let us define a matrix in mathematical terms. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of either numbers, this can be any number, or functions. So it can be functions also. As you see here, these are functions. So the number of numbers or the functions, they are known as the elements. These are all elements or the entries of the matrix. We tend to denote the matrices by capital letter. These are all matrices. This is 3 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is 2 by 3 matrix. And all these are the elements or the content we have just written in the square brackets. Okay. So these are the rows and these are the columns. These are the columns, rows and columns.